Okay, so for those who have seen part 1 and 2 to understanding who God is, we now should be ready to understand spiritually. Again, there is no other way to understand God but spiritually. Remember that God is spirit. This is where we must stay in understanding in order to understand, all right? When it comes to this doctrine of that is known as the Trinity today, which I'm going to refrain from that word, but this doctrine of the one being three and the three being one, this is the most important doctrine or teaching, okay? Because this is the core of our faith right here. This is where we receive the core of understanding when it comes to our faith concerning Christ, okay, and God. Okay, because we believe that Jesus is God. So we need to spiritually understand this so that we can stand in defense of our faith, and also with the hope of bringing others to understanding and into the knowledge of the truth. Okay, so where we're going to go to now, guys, is a very crucial portion of scripture which we have from God so that we can see into the very beginning of and what happened. Also, so we can spiritually understand. Guys, this we need because this helps us understand why the Bible speaks the way it does concerning Christ in the Old and the New Testament. Okay, so we're going to go to Proverbs chapter 8, starting at verse 22 through 36. I want you guys to press forward through 36. Obviously, I'm not going to get through it, but we'll get back to it, okay? Let's look at verse 22. We have to listen, guys. We have to listen. The Lord possessed me at the beginning of his way, before his works of old. I have been established from everlasting, from the beginning, before there was ever an earth. So far what's being revealed is this is the Son speaking. And he's revealing to us that he is the work of God, that he is the work of his Father's hand. Okay, other translations may say like formed or created, which many of us will have a problem with. But what this is saying is that he is the work of his Father's hand, that he is the work of God. Okay, what this also is revealing is that there was a point where it was just the Father until he brought forth his Son, which is why John 1:1 speaks like this: in the beginning was the Word was with God, but not until the Father brought the Word forth, and then the Word was there, right? And the Word was God because the Word came from God. Okay, spiritually understanding. Okay. When there were no depths, I was brought forth. When there were no fountains abounding with water, before the mountains were settled, before the hills, I was brought forth. While as yet he had not made the earth or the fields or the primal dust of the world. Jesus taught this throughout his time on earth, how he came from God, how he was brought forth from God, but no one could understand.